Welcome back. You're watching the best edition of the Property Show. Now, we all know that land is a scarce resource in Mumbai, and the only way to solve Mumbai's housing problem is the redevelopment of old buildings. But many a times, housing societies which take up redevelopment have to undergo a lot of hassles. So we tell you 5 things you should know before going for redevelopment in Bombay.
Mumbai's skyline is dotted with some of the tallest skyscrapers, but ironically, the city is also home to thousands of old, dilapidated buildings which are waiting to be redeveloped. We asked experts why they believe redeveloping is a much viable option than repairing.
Housing societies which are in the dilapidated condition, if they have to go for repairs, at least 1,000 to 1,500 rupees per square foot need to be spent. Instead of that, when you go for redevelopment, you have a lot of redevelopment incentives like having more FSI so that you get additional 1 bedroom extra, you get a corpus. The amount that you have invested in the original house, more than double the amount you get in the form of corpus. You also get a transit accommodation, then you get a lift, you get a modern amenities, you get a security system, parking facilities.
But the process of redevelopment is not easy. A significant number of projects don't get completed in the city, scrambling for living space. Here's why.
There are 40% projects which are not functioning. Out of 40%, 50% project, at least 10-20% only go, 5% go, because people do not have time to go to the courts. People are not organized, they do not know what to do, they are not guided properly. At the same time, they take corpus from the builder, and then they spend away the corpus. They don't have money. Builder stops their alternate rent and they literally come on the road.
So if your society is planning to take up redevelopment which involves a developer, here are some of the most crucial things you must follow. Strictly follow the guidelines of 79A under Maharashtra Cooperative Societies Act and appoint a project management consultant or PMC. Create a watertight agreement with the developer. Before signing the agreement with the developer, also opt for a bank guarantee. Insist the developer to give you mixed allotment instead of separate allotment of sale and the residential component. This will ensure better construction quality. It is important to do the due diligence of developers' financial ability before going ahead with it. Apart from these steps, one can also explore the option of self-redevelopment, in which societies themselves redevelop their buildings with the help of financial institutions. But before you go ahead with any type of redevelopment, make sure that all the members are on the same page. In Mumbai, with camera person Raj, Ashwini Priolkar, NDTV.
So go for redevelopment rather than repairing, and always follow the rules. That's the word coming in from the experts. Next, we have Pankaj on the phone line. Pankaj, welcome to the Property Show.